certain situations, you might need to suspend an ongoing work in the Ayuda app and then later resume it. This video will walk you through the process step by step. Start by opening the active Ayudas for either Premium or Flex and locate the ongoing work that you need to suspend. Tap on the work to access its details. Within the Flex menu, you'll find the Active Ayudas tab at the top navigation bar. Tap on this tab to view your ongoing Flex assignments. Scroll up slightly within the Active Ayudas section to find your newly assigned work. You'll see it listed there. Tap on it to access the details of the request. Once on the Work Detail page, tap on the three-dot option menu. You'll find two suspension options: Suspend Indefinitely, SI, or Suspend with a New Date, SND. For this example, let's choose Suspend Indefinitely, SI, from the options. You'll need to provide a reason for the suspension. After providing the reason, tap the Suspend Request button to suspend the work indefinitely. You can also tap Dismiss if you change your mind and don't want to suspend. Once the work is suspended, the customer will be notified and needs to agree to the suspension. If the customer raises an issue concerning the suspended work, the initial suspension is void, and it needs to be resolved between the parties involved or with the help of Ayuda Care to settle the raised issue. Assuming the customer agrees to the suspension and it's confirmed, you can either choose to resume work or suspend the work with a new date. For this example, let's select Resume Work. To resume the work, open the active Ayudas for Premium or Flex and scroll down to the Suspended section. You will see the list of suspended works. Tap on the work you wish to resume to access its details. How to resume a suspended work. Once you've opened the work details, tap on the three-dot options menu to pull up the menu. Then, select Resume Work. You can add any notes related to the resumption if needed. When you're ready to proceed, tap the Resume Work button to confirm. If you change your mind, you can tap Dismiss. That's it! You've successfully learned how to suspend and resume ongoing work in the Ayuda app. This feature provides flexibility in managing your tasks while ensuring a smooth service experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Ayuda.